Okay, here we are again, doing some more old stamps. Okay, and the first one we have right here is Herbert Hoover, 5-cent stamp. Okay, then we have the brown 2-cent stamp. Now if you notice, there is no name on it. Just said United States postage, and then it says 2 with the number 2 and then cents. No name at all, so I don't know if that's a misprint or if it makes it more valuable, but if you know, please leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. Okay, and then we have 1847 to 1947 Franklin and Washington stamp. Kind of see like a little airplane in between them and all kinds of horse in the corner, kinds of stuff going on in that stamp. Okay, and then the 1-cent Thomas Jefferson stamp, the green one. Okay, and a green 1-cent Washington stamp. Then we have a George Washington 20-cent stamp, 1732 to 1982. Okay, kind of giving a side profile view of him. Okay, then right here we get into the black and white 4-cent Lincoln stamp. I have quite a few of those. Okay, now this one here is the 1-cent green Franklin stamp. So I have quite a few of those. Some of them, when you look it up on the web, look like they're expensive, but I don't know if I got the right one for that, but the paper is very, very delicate. So, there's the 1-cent Franklin. Okay, then we have the gold one of Washington. It's an 8-cent stamp, and it says 1732 to 1932 with a beautiful gold looking view. Okay, and then we have him on a 3-cent stamp, kind of purple in color with a nice hat here. Really nice. Okay, then a 2-cent Jefferson stamp. Got quite a few of those too. Then here we have a 2-cent purple stamp with the leaves going on the sides and everything. If you notice, it does not have a name on it. Okay, kind of like the brown one earlier in the video. So I don't know if that makes it more worth value-wise. If so, hey, let me know. Let me know the value. Leave comments. I'll appreciate them and stuff, but be interesting to know the value and stuff and what they're really worth. Okay, and then right here we have the 50-cent. And that's William Howard Taft. That's a really nice stamp. Very aged. Okay. And then we have the Washington in blue. Now I have quite a few of these too. 1732 to 1932 blue Washington 5-cent stamp. Then we have John Adams. Got a number of those too, 2-cent stamp. Then here we have the 1-cent Jefferson. Now this is not a stamp, this is just sealed on the letter. So this one's just like a seal. Okay. Then a purple Washington 3-cent stamp. Now this one says Washington underneath, while this one here does not say the name, even though that one's purple too. Okay. Now this one is Madison, 1809 to 1917, 4-cent stamp. James Madison. Then here we have two different styles. One on the bottom, and Franklin D. Roosevelt, and then the other one with the writing kind of on the side. The two different ways that the stamp went. Same side kind of profile. Okay, then we have the 5-cent Washington, which is blue and white. Then of course the 4-cent Lincoln. Bit purplish. Okay. Then here is the 1-cent green with the leaves and everything. If you notice, that one does not have a name on it either. Kind of like the purple and the brown. No name. Got quite a few of them ones too. Okay, and there's the blue 5-cent. If you notice, this blue 5-cent does not have a name, while the other blue 5-cent Washingtons did have a name. But the ones here with the leaves going up the side, both sides of the picture, does not have it. Alright, so here we are, some more of the old vintage postal stamps. So if you like them, talk about them. Let's see them all. Be sure to sub me as a friend. And hope you've enjoyed my bringing these stamps to you. Alright, bye-bye now.